And after that, after the 180 days, which is 6 months,
Tanong po ni Congressman Paduano, after the appeal, gaano po ninyo katagal bago sagutin or maglabas po kayo ng recommendation?
indirect po. Chairman, kasi the appeal, the ADP office, no, for that matter, and in this case, the office of the Vice President is given 180 days or 6 months from the appeal. Now, so, bibigyan sila ng 6 months. And now, for example, the appeal supposed to be started when the NDA, no, notice of disallowance started January. So, ang appeal niya, will be pwedeng June 30. Tama? On the tier. Tama? Last day, for example, of that 180 days. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Then again, after the appeal, iakyat sa commission proper.
Mr. Chair, the appeal is filed before the commission proper, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi na dadaan doon sa director. Diretso na po sa commission proper.
Hindi na po.
Okay, now, upon the receipt of the commission proper, how long will it take for the appeal, for the commission proper to decide?
Under our rules, Mr. Chair, 60 days po. But,
Sorry, 60 days.
yes.
That's 2 months. Okay. But what, please?
But the commission proper may release its decision beyond the 60 days, considering the peculiarity of the case, and of course the appreciation of the submitted documents, Your Honor.
So you're telling the peculiarity of the case in the case of the office of the Vice President is so peculiar. That is why that will go beyond 60 days. Are you saying that?
Your Honor, actually, the what the rules prescribe is 60 days.
Yun ang rules,
Yes.
di ba? Now, Mr. Chairman, just a short manifestation. Ito ngayon, yung problema. Kasi we are conducting this inquiry in aid of legislation because we have to have a legislative action in this case. Again, part of my manifestation, Mr. Chair, we have to review. We have to review that 180 days because that is too long. Kasi, pwede kasi mangyari talaga na last day of that 180 days, sa kanila sagutin yung appeal. Dahil magpadala ng appeal. Then after that, under the rules, is another 60 days. And it will take 8 months, Mr. Chairman. That's why, again, it was already discussed in the previous hearing in my committee. And I want to appeal to the COA to please have an amendment on such, because that is not a law. That is just a policy, an IRR of the COA. And Mr. Chairman, allow me to discuss furthermore later. But as of now, Mr. Chairman, I would like to manifest that
Must be willing to undertake. When a public official refuses to take an oath, it opens the questions about the truthfulness of their statement. Taking the oath is not just a legal formality, it is a commitment to honesty. Any refusal to do so undermines trust in public statements. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Honorable Jay Pangun. Yes, Honorable Lara.
Chair, just a manifestation also with regards to COA. Relative dun sa binanggit ni Chairman Paduano, considering na lahat ng mga investigation natin when it comes to public funds, ang number one na kailangan natin is the COA. No? Kasi alam naman natin ang role ng COA dito. So, ang ano ko lang, sa lahat, nabanggit niya yung Mamba case and others. Palagi ang germane na issue here is the duration from which na i-finalize nyo yung report ninyo. So, eto from your end, no, Mr. Chair, sana maparating ito kay Chairman ng sa lahat na ito. Katulad ng issues natin ngayon, no, dito sa pinag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, ito po, with due respect sa COA, no, yung mga you should also take in consideration all the processes notwithstanding the dilatory tactics that causes the delay. No, kasi katulad nito, 180 days bibigyan nyo from which to appeal. Baka meron ulit ito, isasubmit ulit, no, na mag-i-issue ng o mag-sisik ng another extension of time na pinagbibigyan ninyo. So, ito, just to manifest, Mr. Chair, if it would be formulated and legislated, itong mga ganitong mga bagay in terms of duration, kasi alam naman natin ang purpose, number one purpose ng lahat ng pagdinig natin dito sa Kongreso is in aid of legislation, no? Para hindi na maulit ito, kung pwede, mapaiksian natin, no, itong mga duration, in terms of duration, no, should be reviewed. Halos lahat ng cases involving government funds, kailangan ng final COA report for filing appropriate charges. And with due respect sa COA, Mr. Chair, tingin tuloy ng ating mga kababayan na kayo ang cause of delay ng pagpa-file ng mga proper charge. If not, no, in some cases, in cahoots tuloy ang tingin na nila sa inyo, which is not also fair, no, sa COA. No, pwede natin gawin, total, ang tagal nyo naman na ginagawa itong prosesong ito, Mr. Chair, ng COA. From your end, sana, kayo na mag-propose sa amin, no, kung paano natin mapabilis ang mga proseso natin. Kasi katulad nung binabanggit ni Chairman Paduano kanina, it's only a policy formulated din coming from the COA, Mr. Chair. So, ito, ang appeal ko lang, Mr. Chair, para lahat ito, para hindi nila ma-misinterpret na katulad nito, trabaho lang ginagawa natin, tapos baka iba ang ini-insinuate ng